This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by assessing the damage. Count chips, estimate sizes, and photograph patterns for color matching. Once done, clean with a degreaser and wipe with 90% plus isopropyl alcohol so paint adheres. Make sure to mask surrounding panels and trim. Tape clean edges to protect. You then sand each chip with 320 grit to remove flaking, feather the edges, and switch to finer grits to smooth. This early prep ensures primer and paint bond and prevents future peeling. Now you prime and fill. Apply a light etch primer to any bare metal to stop corrosion and promote adhesion. Once tacky, use a fine brush or toothpick to apply fill primer in thin layers, letting each coat tack up. This prevents runs and builds the profile gradually. After a few coats, wet sand with 800 then 1500 grit to level the repair to the surrounding paint. Make sure to wipe clean and inspect under good light so the surface is smooth and uniform. You paint next. Use a matched base coat, applying thin passes and slightly blending 1 to 2 centimeters into the surrounding paint to avoid a hard edge. Once color is even and dry, apply 2 to 3 thin clear coats, allowing proper flash times so runs won't form. After full cure, wet sand any orange peel with 1500-2000 grit, then polish with compound and finish with a sealant. If paint lifts or bubbles, stop. Remove failed coats back to primer. Dry and reseal before repainting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.